Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord where your Nitro lives, sign in and go straight to user settings. Once there, click subscriptions or billing to surface your active Nitro plan. This is where management happens. Make sure you're on the correct account. Many people have multiple logins. If asked, confirm your payment method to access cancellation controls. This step locates the subscription record so you can take the next concrete action without digging through menus. Once you've opened the subscription details, select your active Nitro plan and press Manage or Cancel. You'll be presented with options to stop recurring billing. Pick Cancel Recurring Payment to prevent future charges, and note whether access ends immediately or at the billing period's end. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm using your password or two-factor authentication if Discord asks for it. This ensures the cancellation is authorized and properly recorded on their system. After confirming cancellation, check for a confirmation email and verify the billing page shows the plan as inactive or scheduled to end. If you see another charge or status didn't update, wait one billing cycle day, then review your bank statement. Sometimes processors lag. If problems persist, contact Discord support with your account info and include screenshots of the active plan and cancellation confirmation. Make sure to save any confirmation text. This helps resolve disputes quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.